Happy Janmashtami to all of you. Pujya Gurudev has written in one quote, "Every surrender unto God is an elevation in the status of the soul." Every surrender unto God is an elevation in the status of the soul. Meaning what? While we are in this human body, how do we know we are progressing? He says, to the extent we feel the need for surrender, to the extent we are able to surrender, that is the elevation in the status of the soul. Now, if we have to surrender, what should we do? Our job is very simple. Great saints, they have seen God. Having seen God, they have frozen their experience in words. Those words are called different kritis, different bhajans. Our journey is opposite. We have to hold on to the word and walk towards God. So today we have chosen few bhajans from different saints, including Surdas Ji, including Mirabai. We'll introduce each bhajan in a brief way. And I invite all of you to just revel in these songs. Take your mind to the Lord. Bhajan by itself means to tastefully remember. Bhaja sevayam. So bhajanam should lead to smaranam. Smaranam means remembrance of the Lord. It's a very beautiful combination. We get purity of mind by remembering the Lord. And one sign of a pure mind is remembrance of the Lord. How do we get a pure mind? By remembering Bhagwan, by doing bhajan. But whenever the mind becomes pure, the litmus test of that is, it will effortlessly remember Bhagwan more and more. So we pray to all these saints and Bhagwan who has composed, these saints who have composed these bhajans. May we remember Bhagwan more and more. Please Desha. Radha Krishna Kunja Bihari,
Radha Krishna Kunja Bihari,
Radha Krishna Kunja Bihari,
Radha Krishna Kunja Bihari,
Murali Dhar Govardhan Dhari,
Murali Dhar Govardhan Dhari,
Murali Dhar Govardhan Dhari,
Murali Dhar Govardhan Dhari,
Shankar Chakra Pitambar Dhari,
Shankar Chakra Pitambar Dhari,
Shankar Chakra Pitambar Dhari,
Shankar Chakra Pitambar Dhari,
Karuna Sagar Krishna Murari,
Karuna Sagar Krishna Murari,
Karuna Sagar Krishna Murari,
Karuna Sagar Krishna Murari,
Krishna Murari, Keshava Murari,
Krishna Murari, Keshava Murari,
Krishna Murari, Keshava Murari,
Krishna Murari, Keshava Murari,
Madhava Murari, Madhura Murari,
Madhava Murari, Madhura Murari,
Madhava Murari, Madhura Murari,
Madhava Murari, Madhura Murari,
Radha Krishna Kunja Bihari, The next bhajan is by Saint Surdas Ji. Surdas Ji was one of the luminary saints of Pushti Marga. Pushti word means nourishment. So if somebody says we are on Pushti Marga, Marga means path. What it means is, my nourishment comes only from the Lord. That is Pushti Marga. One devotee told me, we are Pushti Margis, we are always pushed. Very healthy. Because so many sweets you have to make, so many things you have to make for Bhagavan. So Surdas Ji belonged to Pushti Marga. His guru was Vallabhacharya Ji. And he was Prajna Chakshu. He didn't have physical eyes. In one instance, Bhagavan comes and gives him darshan. And for darshan you need physical eyes. So he says, you have it. And after Surdas Ji receives the eyes, sees the Lord, Bhagavan tells him, ask whatever you want. My darshan is infallible. You can ask whatever you want. And Surdas Ji tells him, Bhagavan, please take my eyesight away. The eyes which have seen you, may they not see the world again. That was Surdas Ji. It is said when he would compose songs, by the way, he has composed 100,000 songs. The composition is compiled in one text called as Surasagar. Out of 100,000, 8,000 is available to us. Other songs are not available. So entire 10th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, he is captured in Surasagar. So if Bhagavan Krishna stands, he writes a song. If he walks 2 steps, he writes a song. If he sits, he writes a song. Because he was seeing the Lord. And he said when he was getting those inspirations, somebody would constantly write. Scribe was there. And one day that scribe was not there, and Bhagavan Krishna himself came to write down the songs. And how did Surdas Ji know? Generally the scribe would write after he dictated. But Bhagavan Krishna was writing before he spoke. Then he said, Bhagavan, I have caught you. He holds Bhagavan's hands, but Bhagavan Krishna releases his hand and runs away. Then he writes another song. He says, because I cannot see, you ran away, releasing your hand. But try to run away from my heart and see how difficult it is. So the next song is by Surdas Ji. It's a very playful song. Pujya Guruji has composed the tune for this one. Maiya kabahi badegi choti. Bhagavan is complaining to Yashoda Maiya that you don't give me butter. You always tell me, drink milk, drink milk, drink milk. And I ask why? You say, your choti will grow. Choti means the tuft. Just like Balram Ji, your choti also will grow. But for so long I have drank milk, but nothing has happened. When will my choti grow? This is the theme. Just enjoy this song by Surdas Ji. मैया कबही बढ़ेगी चोटी
मैया कबही बढ़ेगी चोटी
मैया कबही बढ़ेगी चोटी
मैया कबही बढ़ेगी चोटी
इति बार मोहि दूध पियत भई
इति बार मोहि दूध पियत भई
यह अजहु है छोटी
यह अजहु है छोटी
मैया कबही जो कहती भल की बेटी,
तू जो कहती भल की बेटी,
जो मैं है लंबी मोटी,
जो है लंबी मोटी,
काढ़त मुहत नहावत ओछत,
भारत ओछत नहावत ओछत,
नागिन सी भई रोटी,
नागिन सी भई रोटी,
मैया कबरी बढ़ेगी छोटी,
मैया कबरी बढ़ेगी छोटी,
आजो दूध की आवत बची बची,
आजो दूध की आवत बची बची,
वेदन माखन रोटी,
वेदन माखन रोटी,
सूर श्याम चिरजीव दो भैया,
सूर श्याम चिरजीव दो भैया,
हरिहर धर की ज्योति,
हरिहर धर की ज्योति,
मैया कबरी बढ़ेगी छोटी,
मैया कबरी बढ़ेगी छोटी,
मैया कबरी बढ़ेगी छोटी,
मैया कबरी बढ़ेगी छोटी, मैया कबरी बढ़ेगी छोटी।
राधा और कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की जय, कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की Next song is a very popular song. We chose this because all of you know it. It's by our dear Puja Guruji. श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा. श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
भक्तों को दर्शन देना ही होगा,
भक्तों को दर्शन देना ही होगा,
आज नहीं तो कल आना ही होगा,
आज नहीं तो कल आना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा, ग्राम में हो या नगर में कोई,
ग्राम में हो या नगर में कोई,
वन उपवन नदी तट पर जोगी,
वन उपवन नदी तट पर जोगी,
गिरिकंदरा में बैठा जोगी,
गिरिकंदरा में बैठा जोगी,
सबसे ही मिलने तो आना ही होगा,
सबसे ही मिलने को आना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
आज नहीं तो कल आना ही होगा,
आज नहीं तो कल आना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
कर्म में है अधिकार तुम्हारा,
कर्म में है अधिकार तुम्हारा,
कर कर हमें दिया संसारा,
कह कर हमें दिया संसारा,
सारी साधना हमारी करे तो,
सारी साधना हम ही करे तो,
तो कुछ कर नहीं होगा,
आंखों में तो कुछ कर नहीं होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
भक्तों को दर्शन देना ही होगा,
भक्तों को दर्शन देना ही होगा,
आज नहीं तो कल आना ही होगा,
आज नहीं तो कल आना ही होगा,
सबसे ही मिलने को आना ही होगा,
सबसे ही मिलने को आना ही होगा,
आपको भी तो कुछ करना ही होगा,
आपको भी तो कुछ करना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा,
श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा, श्याम सुंदर को तो आना ही होगा।
बोली कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की। The next composition is by Mirabai. She says, I am trying to find my Krishna and I tried very hard and I lost. Then other people come to help her. She is searching for somebody, she doesn't say who it is. So other people come and say, they describe characteristics of Rama. They say, is it he? Some describe characteristic of Gauri Mata. They say, is it she? Mirabai says no. Whom I am looking for is Bhagavan Krishna and Krishna alone. That is called as Ananya Bhakti. Ananya Bhakti means with our own Ishtadevata, building bond in such a way that alone becomes our protection. They say in Krishna Avtara, Bhagavan Krishna wanted to give darshan to Hanumanji. Hanumanji is Chiranjeevi, all of you know. And while Bhagavan Krishna was getting ready, Rukmani ji tells him, this form will not work. You have to take bow and arrow form, go as Bhagavan Rama, then only he will recognize you. So the form of the Lord that we contemplate upon, that form stays with us. Asia. हरि मैं तो लाख यतन कर हारी,
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 मरण ढूंढा गिरिवन ढूंढा,
मरण ढूंढा गिरिवन ढूंढा,
ढूंढी दुनिया सारी, ढूंढी दुनिया सारी, हरि मैं तो लाख यतन कर हारी,
हरि मैं तो लाख यतन कर हारी,
लाख यतन कर हारी, लाख
लाख यतन कर हारी,
गोकुल कुंज गली में ढूंढा,
गोकुल सब करे हरि नाम।
अब के कहे बनवारी,
अब के कहे बनवारी।
हरि मैं तो लाख यतन करहारी,
हरि मैं तो लाख यतन करहारी।
लाख यतन करहारी।
लाख यतन करहारी।
कोई कहे श्री राम है क्या,
कोई कहे श्री राम है क्या,
या गौरी काली मैया,
या गौरी काली मैया।
मैं कहूँ नहीं गोपाल है वो एक,
मैं कहूँ नहीं गोपाल है वो एक।
मैं कहूँ नहीं गोपाल है वो एक,
मैं कहूँ नहीं गोपाल है वो एक।
बन में चरावे गैया,
वन में चरावे गैया।
उमापति परमेश्वर नहीं ना नारायण भयहारी,
उमापति परमेश्वर नहीं नारायण भयहारी।
निराकार हृदय बिहारी,
निराकार हृदय बिहारी।
निराकार हृदय बिहारी,
निराकार हृदय बिहारी।
अंगपिताम्बर मोर मुकुट सिरमाला गले सुहावे,
अंगपीताम्बर मोर मुकुट सिरमाला गले सुहावे।
बहुरूपी बड़े रूप धरे,
बहुरूपी बड़े रूप धरे।
जिस नाम बुलावो आवे,
जिस नाम बुलावो आवे।
मीरा कहे अब लाज रखो प्रभु,
मीरा कहे अब लाज रखो प्रभु।
मीरा कहे अब लाज रखो प्रभु,
मीरा कहे अब लाज रखो प्रभु।
आओ मुरली धारी,
आओ मुरली धारी।
आओ मुरली धारी,
आओ मुरली धारी।
राधावर कृष्णचंद्र भगवान की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। You know, God's grace functions in different ways. One way in which it functions, it makes us be in the right place at the right time. The right place is called as Uchita Desha. The right time is called as Uchita Kala. In the last 5 years, I have felt plenty of Bhagwan's grace because He sent me here to serve. It's a very blessed place in several ways. You can keep on counting different things. You will never run out. Now it was something that it was not in our hands. How many of you read the email? Okay. JP Feather already read. So it's a 1 year temporary move that I have to do. So don't miss me too much. Many people said it will be hard. I said it will be hard for me too. With each one of you, I have received a lot of love and at the same time had very fond memories. I wish you could see what I am seeing from here. All devotees, different memories. Now, as I was thinking about grace, several things came to my mind. Many of you know that I'll be in Delhi for a year. When we were searching for our MSc facts, inspiring facts of CMSJ, so we came across that CMW publication. It was a special publication after Gurudev's Mahasamadhi. So Sundaresh mentioned it in our inaugural. So it had different things. It had Guruji's message. Remind me of Guruji's message. Huh? I'll say something else, but if I forget, remind me of Guruji's message. So that publication said, the last song that was sung in the prayer meet of Puja Gurudev was Gopika Geet. Before the prayer meet concluded, they sang the favorite song of Puja Gurudev and they concluded the prayer meet with Gopika Geet, and we had that as a text for Mahasamadhi. Another inspiring fact that all of us should be very proud of is our Panditji. He did the final rites of Puja Gurudev in San Diego. And 32 years later, he has done many Mahasamadhi pujas, but we were very blessed to have him do our Mahasamadhi puja at MSc. Another thing I learned, Puja Gurudev's physical form after his Mahasamadhi, the first place it was taken was Delhi. And in our Chinmay mission, we have very few pratimas of Puja Gurudev. Pratima means idol. So one idol is there in Siddhabari. Second is there in Sandipani, the standing idol. Third one is in Delhi. Of course, there must be more. But the Delhi one has special symbolism because that was where the final darshan happened. Same place, they built that Pratima. So whenever you see pictures of Puja Gurudev in Mahasamadhi at that place, that is where they have built the Pratima. So I felt that was another grace that after Mahasamadhi here, Mahasamadhi camp here, I'm getting to serve there. Next year, if you are visiting India, you have an open invitation to come to Delhi. And the way I like to look at it, San Jose, I like to look at it as spiritual capital of US. So from spiritual capital, I'm going to national capital of Bharat. If you saw Puja Swamiji's note also, Swamiji mentioned that for us. May we remain steadfast in sadhana. This place should become a spiritual powerhouse. Right? All of you must have seen that note. Now many of you asked, this 1 year what should we do? What will happen to the classes? The answer is, we need some more time. I also have to go there. Just like I got familiar with you all, it takes time to get familiar in a new place. So after that, whatever we decide, we'll communicate formally. So please keep those questions to yourself right now. About classes, online sessions. First let me reach there. Now what to do in this 1 year? One thing we should remember is we don't have to reinvent the wheel. Whatever Gurudev has given us is powerful enough. What has he given us? 3 S. The first S is sadhana. No day should go by without having one-on-one time with God. What is the simplest definition of sadhana? One-on-one time with God. Appointment with God is sadhana. But wholehearted. Not doing several other things and praying also. Short time. We don't have to do half an hour, 1 hour. What is the result of sadhana? Result of sadhana is connection with God. Puja Guruji says, longing and belonging, both should be with God. So if I close my eyes, if I feel that there is somebody here who is taking care of me, somebody who is much more powerful than me, that is the result of ripened sadhana. Whether you do half an hour puja, 10 minutes puja, 15 malas, 2 malas, 5 stotrams, 1 stotram, doesn't matter. What matters is, have we built relation with God? What is the result of building bond with God? Freedom from worry. That is the litmus test. Sadhana is successful, worry should go down. Sadhana is inversely proportional to worry. So that is the first S. Every day we should do it. Second one is Swadhyaya. Swadhyaya means Swasya Adhyanam, studying oneself. How to take care of my mind, what is my true nature. Just 2 things. 2 things we can manage, Swadhyaya is successful. That is why we have to keep listening to scriptures, keep listening to different texts. Again, the number of texts doesn't matter. What matters is how much have we understood ourselves, how well we are able to take care of our mind. That perspective we will get through study, Swadhyaya. So in Bay Area we are very blessed. We have 20 plus study groups. If classes are there, they are always there. But there is no excuse to say, because there is no class, I cannot study. So please join those study groups. On your own also, Swadhyaya should be done. First one was sadhana, second is Swadhyaya. Third one is seva. Third one is seva. Seva is that where we discover the joy of selfless work. If somebody asks us, what do you want in seva? True sevaka says, in doing that seva, I have received much more than what I want. So that is the third S, which is seva. And if you are wondering what seva opportunity we have or we will have, so all of you have heard next year is our 75th anniversary of Chinmaya Mission. So we will have elaborate program at a bigger scale. So we'll have more opportunities to serve, to relive the memories of past beautiful events we have had. Last year we had 10th anniversary. This year we were blessed with Mahasamadhi camp. Next year it will be 75th year. But we should always remember, seva is for me, not for anybody else. I am blessed if I get a chance to serve. So Puja Swamiji in MSc also spoke about 75th anniversary. More details we will give as we plan. But what I took away from that was 75th anniversary is not just an event. It is a movement which will be presented through events. So Bhagavad Gita is the topic we have chosen. First, be inspired yourself by Bhagavad Gita. If it is 12th and 15th chapter, study every word of it. Read Gurudev's commentary. Discuss with children. Having done that, share it with others. So Swamiji's guidance was our visibility and outreach of missions work should be there. But it will be effective only when we ourselves are inspired from what we share. This was a 35,000 feet overview. More details will be given later. Now, as Jignesh Bhai mentioned, at MSc, Stutiji and I sang one Meera Bhajan. Everybody who served Puja Gurudev here was very dear to us. But many of you could not attend most of the sessions. By the way, I remember one story which I had shared with them also. When Gurudev was there were few people who were singing in front of him. Somebody was pressing his feet, somebody was bringing water. And there were many people who were cooking in the adjacent building. Gurudev turned to that coordinator and he said, "Go and tell them Swamiji sends his love." So those who are not in front, he remembered them more. So I promised those who missed that we will sing this again today, invoking Bhagwan's grace and Puji Gurudev's blessings. Sorry? Thank you. Thank you. Guruji's message in that CMW newsletter was, he said, if we have to stay together, we have to have a higher goal. If we have to serve together, we have to have a higher goal. So Puja Gurudev gave us the goal of Sanatana Dharma, spiritual knowledge. And he said, how can we stay together and work in harmony? He gave a very beautiful mantra. Guruji said, always look upon other devotee as better than you. If you are serving with few sevaks, always look upon as other sevak to be better than you. He said, in that mindset we will grow and will be able to serve better. That was his message. Thank you for reminding me. C sharp. With this we'll conclude. जोगिया मेरे गली आई कृष्ण नाम का
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 मेरे गली आई मैं बहु सुख पाई
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 जोगिया 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 मेरे गली आई कृष्ण नाम का
जोगिया मेरे गली आई कृष्ण नाम का
कंकण किंकिणी नूपुर बाजन प्रभु गिरिधर नागर
मीरा चले प्रभु गिरिधर नागर
जमुना के तट पर निरत करतउत नीलत करतउत रंग उड़ावत
नीरत करतउत रंग उड़ावत
जोगिया 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 मेरे रचियाई कृष्ण नाम का
जोगिया मेरे रचियाई कृष्ण नाम का
मेरे गली आई मैं बहु सुख पाई
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 जोगिया 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 मेरे रचियाई कृष्ण नाम का
जोगिया मेरे गलियाई कृष्ण नाम का
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 राधा कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय My thanks to our wonderful orchestra here. You heard them sing melodious songs at MSc, during Swamiji's talks, before Swamiji's talks. And our Mananji has accompanied me for 5 years on tabla. The thing I want to say is, if I miss the tal, he makes up for it. That is how we tune.